How to find someone on Facebook by picture. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will learn how we can find someone on Facebook by using pictures, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to find someone on Facebook using a picture, now Facebook itself does not have that feature, right? It doesn't give you a feature where you can simply search by a certain profile picture, but what you can do instead is you can use a feature called Google. On Google we have a feature called Google Lens where you can use to search images. So you can tap on this Google Lens icon over here, as you can find it, and now you can just go ahead and select the picture that you want to search from. Now what this does is that Google is going to search across the web who this person is, what kind of person they are, and if they have a Facebook account, it will also show up the search results from Facebook. Now it might not give you all the details, but it might at least just give you the name. And now when you simply try to search for the name, what you can try to do is you can go to Facebook, hit the search button, and then just try to search for that person's name here. And when you try to just search for that person's name, you should be able to go ahead and then basically find those related images, and then you should be able to find the profile of that specific person, as you can see here. The trick here is to simply search that images in Google using Google Lens, see what kind of information it gives you, try to find the name, their addresses or whatever else, and you should be able to good to go. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.